In week 2, you are asked to simplify some expressions and then use a calculator to check your work. So I'm working a few problems, one with the grouping symbol of parentheses and one with an absolute value. The first one has 3 negative symbols and then a 7 and lots of grouping symbols. And so I'm going to work from the inside out. So the first thing I'm going to do is this -7. There is nothing I can do to simplify that. And then I move outwards. So I have this second grouping symbol in which I have a -7, which is going to give me +7. The opposite of 7 is 7. Finally, I go to the outermost negative symbol and apply it, and I'm going to get -7. I'm going to type in -7, and it looks good. Let's check this on the graphing calculator. I'm going to type it in just like it looks. This symbol below the 3 is how I type in a negative. Try not to get it confused with the minus symbol for subtraction. So I'm going to type negative, parentheses, negative, parentheses. You'll notice I'm just copying this. Negative, parentheses, negative, parentheses. Then I have -7 and then 2 closing parentheses, and I enter, and I see that in fact my answer is -7 on the calculator. The next question is the absolute value of 4. The absolute value of 4 means the distance from 0 to 4 on the number line. The answer is always positive, and so my answer will be 4. To check that on the calculator, I need to use the absolute value function. I'm going to type the math button, and then I'm going to go over to N or numerical. I want to do something with a number, and the very first one is abs. That's shorthand for absolute value, and hit enter. You'll see that absolute value is up on the screen. I hit 4, and then I hit enter, and you'll see my final answer is 4. Have a great week.